What up, gang? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get your music heard by 10,000 potential fans for the same amount of money it costs everybody else to get their music heard by only 1,000 potential fans. I mean, I'm gonna show you how to get heard by 10 times the people. That's right, I'm gonna show you how to whip it up and make $1, stretching it, being worth 10 marketing dollars, okay? 10 times the fans faster. You cannot beat this, all right? And it's for whatever music budget you had. You had $25, now it's $250. You had $250, now it's $2,500. That's a big ass difference. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper, and you're about to get smarter from this. You already know. Let's break it down. Break it down. Break it down. He breaking it down. He breaking it down. He breaking it down. He on the floor break dance. I see you right. All right, here's the thing. If you plan on using the strategy I show you on how to get 1 million real views on your music video for around $1,000, and yes, real people, real views, and yes, you gain fans, here's what you need to understand. So I'm gonna explain this to you. You need to understand how CPM works when it comes to you getting heard and your music getting seen and gaining new fans. All right, you need to understand this. Okay, CPM. Let's break it down. Okay, this is advertising. This is marketing talk. Okay, CPM is cost per mile. It just basically means for every 1,000 people who see your video. Okay, CPM just means basically 1,000 people, 1,000 impressions. But it's like this for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube ads. You know, when they show your music to 1,000 people, it will cost a specific amount of money, right? And you obviously want that to be as low as possible. And that happens with how good the content is that you're promoting. Okay, so we want to make sure that price is as low as possible so that we can get your music seen by the most people for the least amount of money. Are you still with me? Okay, yes? All right, great. All right, can I get a name now? Okay, anyway, if you have created your first song and video that will garner you the most views for the least amount of money, you're gonna need to create a video that's gonna get and gain the most attention and keep people hooked. This is because when you're running YouTube ads, they're gonna get more engagement, more watch time, more clicks, and the more of those things, the more engagement that video gets, the cheaper it gets to show it to more people. Because YouTube can see, and here's why on a business level, because YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, they can see that people engage, and it's actually keeping those people engaged and keeping them on YouTube longer, and it proves your content is good. Because when they're on YouTube longer, what happens? They can run more ads to them, they can make more money, right? So they reward you for that. So imagine if your video is good, it costs you $1 per 1,000 people they're showing your video to, okay? But the average for somebody running a normal music video without the tactics that I explained, well, that does like $7 to $10 per 1,000 people. Which means you're reaching 7 to 10 times more people for the same amount of money by understanding this and doing what I show you how to do, by making sure that content is gripping and pulls them in, and the song's amazing, all right? That's why I got 10 million views on one song for don't cost nearly as much money, all right? And now knowing this, why would you do anything other than what I'm gonna tell you and show you how to do? If you wanna know how to do this, you're in luck, because most people don't get lucky very often, but you're lucky you saw this video today, because for you to get these results, you can see that I have right in front of me, I'll put this on the page. Look, crazy earned views, super low cost, crazy amount of subscribers, look at crazy. I can show you exactly step by step what to do and how to set up everything. All you do is copy and paste it. I'll tell you and show you everything, all the tricks that took me forever to learn. And I'm a music artist just like you, so I wanted that dollar amount, I wanted the cost of that to be as inexpensive as possible for my own music to grow my own fan base as fast as possible. Only I could possibly care that much to be able to get and garner these results that I can now show you, okay? And then all my music videos get like 1 million views. All right, if you wanna get your hands on that, you can. Link is in the top comment, link is in the description, and or you can go to musicindustryshortcut.com/hookup, because I'm gonna hook you up. Go get it. Use copy and paste the settings, all right? Plus, I'll show you how to get a $500 Google ad credit, okay? And this is like, they'll give it to you. So $500, that's like 500,000 views if you do it the way that I show you how to set it up. But you can get that. Google gives that to you. It's not some like random, blah, 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 coupon. They have these offers all the time, and there's always a money amount. And I can show you how to get your hands on that and how to put it in, how to apply it, and how to use it. It's free money.
Lord Jesus.
Anyway, check out those links, okay? Because even if you have a quarter budget, you could be gaining fans while you're sleeping for a quarter, gaining 250 views while you're sleeping. I remember 250 views was crazy when I first started, you know? So for $1, you can get $1,000. Man, quit playing, all right? Click the link. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper. You just got a little bit smarter. Keep hustling, gang. Check the links below, and I'll see you at the top.
Chop it, break it down and flip it all day.